Hello, my name is Dr. Raj Gupta from Nashville, Tennessee, and we're going to do a little demonstration with the Apple Vision Pro and a wireless ultrasound probe to see if we can bring the ultrasound image into our view and still make an ergonomic approach for ultrasound. So I've got a volunteer here, Dr. Visos is helping me out demonstrate, and we're going to practice doing lumbar spine ultrasonography. And I have a wireless probe that's connected to the app that's designed for this probe directly within the Vision Pro. I've already pre-connected it. It connects by wireless and Bluetooth, and it creates a visual of the ultrasound screen in my headset. This allows me to move the ultrasound image to where I want it and then actually use the ultrasound wirelessly directly into my view. So we'll put it on and I'll show you the view from inside the headset as well. Okay, right here you see that I've connected the ultrasound image to the app, and this app, like any other within the Vision Pro, can be moved to wherever I want. I can resize it to however I want it and bring it into whatever is the convenient location. And in this situation, I have a dotted line marking the middle. I'm actually going to line this up with my back and the spine, so that roughly approximates the midline of the spine. And I'll use some jelly on the back. And now I've got the view right directly in front of me, right on the volunteer's back. And I can scan the ultrasound image. This is a live view of the scan. What's really neat is now I've actually got control over the app without having to touch anything. So I've centered up with the line. If I want to re-establish center, I could say, okay, that's center, so I can actually move this without touching anything. Establish center. And if I want to reduce the gain, I just grab the controls for the depth and reduce the gain. And find what my optimal image is. And I can scan up and down, and we see spinous processes, we see the lamina next to it, and then we can scan out to transverse process in the lateral side as well. This doesn't feel like it has any delay to it. I have a feel of both the ultrasound image, the probe, and the image in very clear view here.